Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, Vastu, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. If you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. So let's proceed further with our today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 Vastu tips that will help you in raising your vibrations. And once your vibrations are at the highest level, you are connected with the divine power. And during that particular time, you are in your own power to manifest anything that you want in your life. You will be able to manifest the life that you have ever wanted, that you have ever desired. So let's start with this very interesting topic today. And let's start with the very first tip. So the first tip is you have to take bath with sea salt water or rock salt water at least once a day every week. Once a day every week is a must. And why sea salt or Himalayan rock salt? Because salt has got the powers to absorb all the negative energies. It has got the powers to clear away all the negative energies that are there in our mind, our heart, our body and our soul. So basically, salt acts as a booster. It acts as a detoxifier. It cleanses our aura. It cleanses our soul. That's why it's a very good remedy to clear away all the negative energies from your mind, from your heart, your body and your soul. So what happens is, we tend to grab a lot of negative energies from a lot of people because we do interact with n number of people in our everyday lives. And different people have got different energies. We don't know what their energies are towards us. And even in general terms, we do attract a lot of negative energies. And we get a lot of negative thoughts in our mind. We get into stress. We feel low, insecure, depressed most of the times on account of any reason. A reason can be our work, our relationships, our married life, our health problems, which creates more health problems. And that's why at that particular time, it becomes necessary for us to clear away all the negative energies that are there in our mind, our body and our soul. So that's why take bath with sea salt water or rock salt water. These salt are easily available online, so you can order them anytime as per your convenience. And so take bath with this sea salt and rock salt water every once a week. You can take half tablespoon of sea salt or pure Himalayan rock salt and just add it in a bucket full of water and just take bath with that water every week. This will give you multiple results and you'll feel relaxed. You'll feel a lot of changes in your mind, in your body, and you'll feel positivity. And once you feel positive, once you have an optimistic attitude towards life, your vibrations automatically will be at the highest level. And once your vibrations are at the highest level, you are connected with the divine power. And then you are in the power to manifest the life you have ever wanted. You can get anything that you want in your lifetime. So the way we declutter our home, the way we clean our home, we have to declutter our mind and our heart from all such negativity. That's why it becomes pretty much necessary to clear away all these negative energies, all these negative thoughts from our mind and our heart too. So that's why just follow this very powerful remedy. It's a simple but a very powerful remedy and it will give you a lot of benefits. Now comes the next tip. This is also a very important tip. And at last, the third tip, I will give you a very important information about that tip. It will change your life. But now comes the second tip. And the second tip is you have to offer water to Lord Sun every day in the morning during the sunrise or within half an hour of the sunrise. This is a very powerful remedy. This will also change your life. And you'll see a lot of miracles happening in your life once you do this ritual every day in the morning. All you have to do is take one copper vessel and add some water in it. And along with it, add some sugar too in that copper vessel and offer that water to Lord Sun. And while offering water, you should always face east, because east is the direction of rising sun. I'll repeat again. You have to face east while offering water to Lord Sun. Why east? Because east is the direction of rising sun. And rising sun gives us the light and positive energies. Sun is the source of all the energies. We get all the energies from sun. It gives us the strength, wisdom, power, a willpower, personal power, confidence. It helps us to achieve success in our life. It helps us to attain victory, whatever we do in our life, whether it's our professional life or it's our personal life. Sun gives us the positive energies. It cleansifies our aura. It cleanses our soul. And that's why perform this ritual every day in the morning. You'll see a lot of changes happening in your life once you start doing this ritual. It's a very powerful ritual. So now comes the next tip, the third tip. And this is the very, very important tip. You should follow it for your lifetime, and it will transform your life for your betterment. What you have to do is, you have to place your prayer room or your meditation room in the northeast direction. Why northeast direction? Northeast direction is the best direction to seek the divine blessings, because this place has got the highest vibrations. As northeast direction is the direction which is ruled by planet Jupiter. Now the question comes, who is Lord Jupiter? Lord Jupiter, or planet Jupiter, is the Lord of knowledge and wisdom. It helps us to gain the spiritual powers. And once we have gained the spiritual powers, we are connected to the spiritual world. Once we are connected to the divine power, we are in the power to manifest the life that we have ever wanted. Things that we have always wanted in our lifetime. Now the point is, the phase comes in our life where we feel low, depressed, insecure. We get a lot of negative thoughts in our mind. We feel that no situation is turning in our favor. Nothing is happening good in our life. And we tend to think that even in future, nothing good will happen. We just go in that negative and a depressing zone. And where it becomes difficult for us, it becomes next to impossible for us to get out of that negative zone. And during that particular time, our vibrations are at the lowest level. Our vibrations are at the weakest level. And once our vibrations are at the weakest level, we are not connected with the divine power. So that's why it is very much necessary to raise our vibrations so that we can connect to the divine power. We can connect to our angels, our spirit guides, who are always there to help us, to guide us, to motivate us, to inspire us, to encourage us to move forward in our life. We feel that there is no one to help us or support us, but God is always watching upon you. His blessings are always there on you. Now, it depends on you. He gives you the guidance to raise your vibration, but it totally depends on you whether you want to raise your vibrations or not. So that's why it becomes pretty much necessary to raise our vibrations so that we can manifest the life that we have always wanted, so that we can connect with the divine power. So that's why this is the most powerful remedy that you have to follow. And make sure while praying or meditating, you are not getting any negative thoughts in your mind, because any negative thoughts at that particular point of time will hamper the process of raising your vibrations, will create a lot of problems for manifestation. That's why make sure while praying or meditating, you are only thinking positive. You are only getting positive thoughts in your mind. One more important thing, make sure you are praying and meditating facing northeast. Facing northeast only. But if on account of some reasons northeast direction is not possible for your temple area, for your prayer room or your meditation room, you can do one thing. You can face east, or you can also face north direction. But only these three directions are the best directions for praying, for worshipping or meditating. No other direction is best for praying or meditating. So just keep in mind these three rules. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about Vastu remedies, numerology, spirituality, or you need some crystal healing tips, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, Vastu, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, because we do have pure, original, authentic crystals available with us, you can place an order anytime as per your convenience, and you can contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. Links for the same are mentioned in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video.